I'll be showing you how to remove or how to delete a contact group on your Samsung Galaxy S24. So the first thing you want to do is go to Contacts and then tap on the three-line button in the top left corner and then select Groups. Under Groups, find the group you want to delete. For instance, you can tap on that group and then tap on the three-dot button in the top right corner of that group and then select Delete Group. It's going to ask you delete group only, or delete group and move members to the recycle bin. So you're only deleting the group, you're not deleting these specific contacts from your phone book. So what you want to do is tap on delete group only. Now if you want to delete the group and also delete the members of that group and delete all their contacts, you can choose the second option. But for me, I just want to delete the group and not the contact, so I'll select that. And that's it. That's basically how to delete a contact group on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. Good luck.